You say you want a better relationship. You say you want love and passion and connection. But let me ask you something straight. Do you actually want love, or do you just want peace? Do you want intimacy, or do you just want the arguments to stop? Do you want to be deeply seen, or do you just want to stop walking on eggshells? Because there's a big difference between being loved and being tolerated. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's the price of always keeping the peace. Most of the men I coach reach out with the same exhaustion. They're tired, not from working hard, but from keeping things calm, by avoiding tough conversations, swallowing hard truths, softening their edges just to avoid triggering her, performing instead of leading. And over time, they lose themselves. They become a version of a man that they don't recognize. A man who's agreeable and accommodating, but quietly angry, quietly empty. See, nice guys don't create connection, they create resentment. They don't get love, they get politeness, they get silence, they get shut down because their woman doesn't feel them anymore. And more importantly, they don't feel themselves. But love requires something more. If you want real love, you've got to be willing to stop being a peacekeeper and start being a truth teller. Real love requires tension. It requires vulnerability. It requires leadership. And yes, that means conflict. But conflict isn't the enemy. The unspoken truth is the enemy. When you avoid friction to keep the peace, you build a prison. The walls close in and no one feels safe. No one feels connected and no one feels alive. So you have to lead through the fire. You want a relationship that feels electric. You want to be proud of the man that you are. Then you've got to start leading when it's uncomfortable. Say what you mean. Hold your boundary. Stop apologizing for your truth. That's what creates safety. And that's what reopens the heart. That's what makes you feel alive again. You weren't made to live in quiet suffering. You were made to lead with a heart of strength and truth. So the real question is, do you want love or do you just want comfort? If you're ready for something real, then go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's talk about what you really want for yourself in your relationship. After that call, I guarantee you're going to feel stronger. You're going to feel more confident. You're going to feel bolder. I'll also introduce you to a community of men. I'll tell you how you can join our weekly calls because remember, you're not alone. So if you're ready to become that alive, vibrant, happy man again, go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.